Welcome back to our channel. And question 33 is about electrolytic cell. Okay, so sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, right? So Na plus, and then Mg2 plus. Okay, and then he said that what's the constraint? Always look at the constraint. Okay, same current, same time. Okay, so same current, same time, it means same charge, right? Right, same electron flow inside to sodium and magnesium to make them metal. But you look at here, same K, okay? But magnesium needs two electron, right? Sodium just need one electron. So about the mode, okay, for this one, the amount in mode is just half, okay? To less magnesium is produced. About the mass, of course, magnesium is a little bit heavier than sodium. So about the mass, okay, is about the mass. Okay, so it is a little bit larger than half. Okay, yes, a little bit, but still smaller, smaller than one still, I'm sure. Okay, so look at the option A, B, C, D. A little bit similar, confusing, but about after we have this analysis, look at it. Pause the video. Think about your solution. Welcome back. Okay, so you got it. Yes. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is C. The mass of sodium produced is larger. The amount of sodium produced is larger. Both mass and amount produced by of sodium is larger. So all the other three equal magnesium more is wrong. Okay, see, right? Equal, equal. It said even say magnesium larger. So the answer is C. I'm gonna say you guys are amazing because you got the result. Okay. See you for next question.